Hey, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Mike, and we're
The Ride Guys. Today we're here at Universal Volcano Bay to take you on two thrilling attractions, Ko'okiri Body Plunge and Kala and Tai Nui Serpentine Body Slide.
So if you're ready, we're ready. Let's slide. Shaboom!
'Cause I'm coming for the crown. Coming up for the crown. Coming for the crown. It's a shutdown.
Today we're here to answer your questions about two attractions, Ko'okiri Body Plunge and Kala and Tai Nui Serpentine Body Slides. The entrances to these attractions can be located near the splashdowns of the ride.
All right, so let's plunge right into your questions about Ko'okiri Body Plunge. Okay, question one. What is a body plunge? All right, so this is a thrill ride with, yes, a body plunge. Now the slide begins with a drop at a 70-degree angle from a gate that is 125 feet high. Dylan?
How tall do I have to be to ride? The height requirement for the Ko'okiri Body Plunge is 48 inches, but the bravery requirement, now that's off the charts. This is a climb.
I love stairs.
He loves stairs.
Okay, can I ride with a friend? Not on this one. On Ko'okiri Body Plunge, you're plunging solo.
Can I use my Volcano Bay Express Pass? As long as it's your Volcano Bay Express Pass, you're good.
Hey, will you judge me if I chicken out and don't ride?
Somebody asked that?
Maybe.
Well, remember, what goes up must come down. It takes approximately 4 seconds to plunge, or else it's a long, long, long walk down.
Mic drop.
We climbed, we rode, we plunged.
Which brings us to the second half of our double main event. Drum roll, please.
Kala and Tai Nui Body Slide. Is it one ride or is it two? Don't be fooled by the and. It's one ride with two intertwining slides.
So here's the deal. Twin trapdoors plunge two guests down at the infamous intertwining tube, plunging them deep into the turquoise waters below.
I'm gonna pick up the pace. Okay. Height requirement, locker, virtual line experience. 48 inches, you'll need one, and yes.
Can I hold that?
You can hold this.
Ooh, fun. Okay, so almost every ride at Volcano Bay features a virtual line experience. So use your TapTu tap in, then go explore the park as your wearable counts down the minutes until your return time.
I call blue.
I call green.
Can I use my Volcano Bay Express Pass on this ride? Like I said, as long as you have your Volcano Bay Express Pass, you're good.
That's right. Who would win in a Kala and Tai Nui body race, Mike or Dylan? Look, great question, but I think nobody wins by me answering that question.
Nobody.
Nobody. Oh, did I win?
Who's counting?
I think I'd have a talk with this wedgie. Oh. Now there is so much more cool stuff to see here at Volcano Bay, so we will definitely be back.
And be sure to tap your keyboard and let us know what Universal Volcano Bay ride you would like to see us hit up next.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's slide.
Shaboom!
'Cause I'm coming for the crown. Coming for the crown. It's a shutdown.